Today we do a couple of decorations for the Christmas, and the first one is the Christmas wreath. To make it, I cut out 2 cardboards and a foam which is from the packaging, and the measurement is around, the outer diameter is 38 cm and the inner is around 27 cm. So what we're going to do next is glue it together. I'm using hot glue to attach all 3 together because it is faster for the video and is so convenient. You can use just regular one like the PVA glue. Now I'm going to wrap it around. Just used a bit of glue here and I'm going to wrap it around. Takes a bit of time. So look at it. Our Christmas wreath is nearly done. Now I'm going to decorate it with some random things like this and some Christmas baubles also. First I start with this Christmas bead string, sorry, it's called bead string. So my plan is to give it a shape like this, starting from here and attaching it here. I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to glue it to the base cardboard. And glue it over here. Then again we need to bring it back to the starting point like this. And we need to do it over and over again to get a good shape, good look. Now I'm gluing on some Christmas baubles into it. We can take it out and glue on it. I'm using the same hot glue for it. Press it over a couple of seconds to secure it, and okay, that's done. Then I'm going to use a few more. Now I'm going to make some tiny bows using this ribbon, like this. And I'm going to glue it somewhere here. I made this bow out of the net fabric and attached few crystals on it, and I'm going to stick that over here. Okay.
I just feel like I'm right in the middle of the night. I'm in love with you. And
okay, the second idea is to decorate these Christmas baubles using some random stuff like the small roses, satin roses, acrylic crystals like this, and the crystal chain. These all things I have already in my stock, and I just find some matching colored stuff to decorate it. So let's see how I'm doing it. I'm using the glue E6000 glue for it.
by my side, please don't make me cry. 'Cause I was left behind. I'm falling in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm falling cry. 'Cause I was left behind. I'm falling in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm falling in love with you, and I don't know.
I let it dry completely, and using this bow which I have made previously, I show how to make this bow in the previous part of the video. Then I use a small satin rose on it. Gluing on some acrylic flat bags on it. It's also light pink in color. I personally prefer to have the pink color. You can use any other color which you like. It can be a special gift for someone who you love, or it can be a very special decoration on your Christmas tree. And remember to watch my previous video. There are so many Christmas decoration ideas in my previous video. Please click on it, and thumbs up for those videos. See you next time. Bye bye.